right before we headed to the Galapagos. I was telling you about that crazy island we went on. We found that tortoise. Do you know that? Yeah. First, only one specimen has ever been found before, 114 years ago. And we found the second one. The biggest discovery in my entire career was the week after I saw you last.
Wow.
Yeah. It was amazing.
What kind of tortoise is this?
The Fernandina Island tortoise. Big Galapagos tortoise on this crazy active volcano out in far remote Galapagos. We had gnarly sunstroke, heat stroke, I mean, everything. And after a few days of hiking up and down this